let's get started, guys. For that wooden house. It's still up. Which part? Just one. Normal table is fine. Whose luggage? It's still up. Oh, no. That is a fly table. I just use a holder to hold my phone. There's vacuum. It is so called. The Horsean. Eh? Oh no. I cannot remember that. Give me a few seconds. I'm gonna record. Okay. How's your neck? I heard you one up. Very sore. I'm not getting though. It's truly sore. I think best choice. You can't imagine. I feel like my body's getting used to it. Yeah, but that is a nice idea. Maybe I can use tilt-up table in the future. Here's a fan. Zoom in a little bit. It's a big people, yeah. Now we just need a bed for us to lie down. Have a good rest. Hey, how are you, user? Here's our dream house. The other stuff. Wait, guys. Is this Switch? Because I'm not the game girl, but it just reminds me of the Switch. Father stuff. Is there hurts or not hurts? Okay. Maybe you can do more workouts to get your body strong. Maybe that's why you just feel sick. Oh wait, forget. The railing. No, I'm not. Alright. The window part. The springtime. Nice. Oh. Wait a sec. Now I just need a cabinet. It's almost autumn. For me, it's almost spring. I just like this thing showed. Wait a minute. Seems like there's something wrong. Okay. Hey, this is better. the back of the yard, back of the house. There's a forest. Hey, that looks cool. Hey. Clothes stand. Why is that on the balcony part? It should be inside of the house. Hey. Okay, perfect. That's at the last part. Hello, Carissa. How are you? I know. Where is it from? Because the stickers on my nail is now from the same. Kitchen counter. So it's not this way. Ah. Yes. Hello, pretty. Where's the stuff? Hey, maybe you can just close your eyes and get a good sleep. But yeah, I wish that will help. Because every time when my head hurts, that will always help. Yes, I get it. You're right. That's why I can do it so fast. Hello, LV. How are you? It is Ariel from Ecuador. Hey there. Here's a mat. Oh. Okay. Good. Where can you? But you can join my board. You'll get the answer in my board. I need coffee. I love those pendants. So adorable. Try to keep your own. And after you took the medicine, babe, go to sleep. Okay. Next part. Oh. Maybe we can come here next time. How to? It's in my board. Thank you, Mia. Now this right there. Okay, that's good. Perfect. And the fortune cat. Adorable. Champagne cup. He's so cute. Need coffee now. Maybe later I can do a coffee shop. I hope you will help. So cute. Guys, you know what is this stove? That is a TV stand. So simple. I love you. Oh, I'm sorry I can't. I know how to speak. I'm Portuguese. Welcome back. Hope you feel better, my love. For those cushion. Oh, a little bit. Wait a minute. It is nice, but this is better. Thank you, my KK. Thanks for tapping. And everybody, today I 100k likes. I'm gonna do the zombie set. So don't forget to tap the screen. If you wanna say the zombie, the walker, what you're gonna do? Hey, there's one stuff missing. A single line. Hey, thank you, Mia. Love you. Middle part. Here's a bathroom and the sink. Oh, higher up. Hello, my Maria. How are you? There. And in her spot, yeah. Did you see the outlines? And just pair the stuff. Following the outlines. See? That is how it's working. Zombie the new, yeah. It is cow his eyes. Adorable. Thank you, Amia. Hello, my nails. They used to be my favorite style. Thank you, Just. Thanks for tapping. Oh my god. You're excited for that, right? Okay, I just need one more plant. Damn. For that round. I feel like this house just gave me a feeling of Japan. Japan style. Thank you, sweetie. Nope. There's a lighter. Yeah. Oh. Wait. I should have the first there. Okay. Another one. Oh. The sleeper. Guys, who envy this girl? So elegant. I wish it was me. Hmm? Alicia, you already fell asleep. Hmm? Yuki. I hope you feel better soon, my love. Alright. So guys, I'm just curious. After this set, you guys want to say the big or the smaller size? Big or small? Feel free to tell me. Big? I mean, guys, then the big one. Giving you tingles in the last part. Did you know I can? How to say English at my Mandarin? There's that clip. Dun-dun. The reference picture. See? They're being the same, guys. See? You guys can do it very confident. Exactly the same.